In prime time news this evening, educators sound warning. They say it won't be business as usual in the classroom on Wednesday. DPP to seek death penalty as accused in murder and rape case of 9-year-old appeared before court today. And what's causing the congestion at Sangster International Airport? We'll tell you what's happening.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Welcome back, Herman.
Thank you.
And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, Red Stripe has invested more than $2 billion to expand its production facility. I'll give you the details a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Giovanni Dennis. He has what's coming up in sports. Giovanni?
Thank you so much, Herman. Well, I'll have the latest from day one of the Boys and the Girls Athletics Championships. That's the Issa Grace Kennedy Athletics Championships at the National Stadium, as well as looking at a preview of what's to come for day two.
Thank you so much, Gio. And for a snippet of the weather report and forecast, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thanks so much, Andrea. Now, across the island over the next few days, we are expecting generally sunny conditions. However, the winds are beginning to die down, so we are expecting cloudier conditions later in the week. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What's your reaction to news that the DPP will be seeking the death penalty in the rape and murder case of 9-year-old Nikita Noel?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.